What if I told you that you could create unlimited, eye-catching, AI-generated videos completely free? No pricey subscriptions, no complicated software, no editing skills required. In this video, I'm revealing the ultimate tools and secrets that are changing the game for creators, marketers, and dreamers alike. Whether you're building your brand or just want to explore the magic of AI, this step-by-step guide will have you producing stunning videos in minutes. So buckle up, because the future is here, and it's insanely powerful. Let's get started.
Welcome back to ManuAGI Tutorials. Here, we explore the exciting world of AI, latest AI tools for you, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest AI insights. So let's start today's video.
Digen AI. Create stunning AI-generated videos in minutes. Free, fast, and limitless. First, head over to Google and search for Digen AI. The very first link you'll see is from Digen AI. Go ahead and click on it. Once the website loads, you'll be greeted with a sleek and modern interface. At the top of the homepage, you'll notice a section titled, "What is everyone creating?" Scroll down just a bit and you'll find today's global generation ranking, which is basically a leaderboard showing the top creators. Scroll a little further and you'll see the most viewed videos, and at the bottom, a section filled with feature videos. Now, let's go back to the top of the homepage. Click on the thunder icon to begin the registration or login process. Once you click it, you'll see two login options. Continue with Google. Log in with email and password. But instead of logging in with Google or our own email, we're going to sign up for free using a temporary email. To do that, open a new tab and search for temp-mail.org on Google. And once it opens, you'll see a temporary email generated for you. First, delete the old email if there's one already. Then wait a few seconds for a new email address to be generated. Copy that new email. Now, head back to Digen AI, paste the temporary email into the email section, and click on Send Code. Once the code is sent successfully, you'll see a green tick with a success message pop up in the center of the screen. Next, go back to Temp Mail, click the refresh button, and wait a few moments. You should now see a new email from Digen AI containing your verification code. Open it, copy the code, return to Digen AI, paste the code into the verification field, and click Continue with Email. And just like that, you're in. Now that the sign-up is complete and we're logged in, you'll see the main interface of Digen AI again. And if you look at the thunder icon, you'll notice it shows your free tokens available for creating videos. Next, click on the Create button, and you'll be taken to another sleek and well-designed interface. Here, we'll start building our AI-generated video. First, click the Upload button to upload an image. After that, you'll see a section asking for a prompt. But wait, we only have an image, so what should we type here? No worries, I've got you. Simply open a new tab and search for ChatGPT. Once you're in, upload the same image and type something like, "Generate a prompt based on this image." After a few seconds, ChatGPT will give you a detailed and relevant prompt. Copy that prompt, head back to Digen AI, and paste it into the prompt box. A cheerful young woman with a big smile and rainbow-colored curly braid poses for a selfie in a whimsical, candy-colored fantasy forest filled with pink cotton candy trees. Behind her, a joyful chocolate moose with teal antlers sits on a colorful hill knitting with orange yarn. Around them, magical pastel fairies and tiny winged creatures with unicorn horns flutter through the air, and one of them tends to a miniature campfire. The ground is scattered with vibrant yarn balls and soft, colorful bubbles, creating a dreamy, magical atmosphere. Ultra-realistic, vibrant colors, playful, and surreal aesthetic. Now, set the duration of your video according to your preference, and finally, click on the Generate Video button. Get a moment to process, and once it's done, wow, just look at the result. The video is smooth, visually stunning, and crystal clear. This is how simple and powerful it is to create professional-looking videos using just an image and AI, all for free. And just like that, you can repeat the same steps to generate more amazing results. Simply upload a new image, enter a prompt, a cheerful cartoon-style girl with big brown eyes, wearing a pink and blue varsity jacket, jeans, and a backwards baseball cap, takes a selfie with her friendly alien friend. The alien has bright blue skin, oversized orange eyes, and is dressed in a blue hoodie and cap. They stand smiling on a neon-lit city street at night, with a glowing full moon in the background and colorful signs on buildings around them. The atmosphere is vibrant, playful, and futuristic with warm, cinematic lighting and a stylized 3D animated look similar to Pixar or DreamWorks films. And hit the generate button. It's that easy, but wait, here's something even cooler. Next result of Teddy. A cute, chubby cartoon bear sitting in a sunny meadow playing an acoustic guitar with a joyful expression and closed eyes, as if serenading nature. The scene is set in a bright, cheerful forest with green grass, tall pine trees, and fluffy clouds in a clear blue sky. The art style is soft, colorful, and friendly, perfect for children's books or animation, with simple shapes and bold outlines that emphasize warmth and charm. Playing guitar. You can actually create realistic lip sync videos too. Let me show you how. Start by uploading your image, just like before. Then type your prompt in the prompt box. Now, here's the key part. Click on the lip sync mode button to enable it. Once it's on, you'll see an option to generate speech. Alternatively, if you already have an audio file you want to use, you can upload that audio instead. Once uploaded, click on Generate and let the AI work its magic. In just a few seconds, your lip sync video will be ready. And trust me, the results are incredible. It looks super realistic, like the character is actually speaking your script.
I'm Mia, explorer of city streets. Hi everyone. I'm Mia, explorer of city streets, lover of flowers, and selfie queen.
Open a new browser window and search for media.io. Sign in. Once on the media.io website, log in using your Google account to get started. Navigate to AI Tools. After logging in, go to the AI Products section on the website. Here, you'll find a variety of powerful tools. From the list of AI tools, click on Video Watermark Remover. This tool will help you get rid of watermarks in your video seamlessly. Upload your video. You'll be directed to a new interface where you can upload the video containing the watermark. Simply click on the Upload button and choose your video. Use the Brush tool and highlight the area where the watermark is located. Remove the watermark. Once you've selected the watermark area, click on the Remove Watermark button. Wait for a few seconds while media.io processes your video. Preview the result. After the process is complete, you'll see a preview of the video with the watermark removed. The video should now be smooth and clear without any visible marks. And that wraps up our guide on how to generate AI avatar videos and also character video unlimited AI-generated videos for free. I hope you found this tutorial as exciting and powerful as the tools we explored. The possibilities with AI are growing every day, and now you've got everything you need to start creating stunning videos without spending a dime. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. Let's meet again in the next video, where we'll dive even deeper into the world of AI magic. Until then, stay creative and keep exploring. Thanks so much for watching and being part of this journey. Your support means the world.